And just like that, your EC Link card is now added to your Apple Wallet and ready to use whenever you need it. Once the card appears inside Wallet, you can quickly access it without carrying the physical card. To do this, you'll need a third-party wallet app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Card Manager. Download and install the app, then open it once installation is complete. Inside the app, you'll see 4 sections: Gift, Loyalty, Membership, and All. Tap on All, then press Add Card. Next, select Store Card and search for EC Link. Tap on it, then choose how you want to add your card. You can either scan the card using the front camera or enter the card details manually. After adding the information, tap Save. Once the card is saved, you'll see an option to Add to Apple Wallet. Tap on it, and your EC Link card will be successfully added to Apple Wallet. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we showed you how to add your EC Link card to Apple Wallet using a simple workaround. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.